Omukushemesibwa kw'abeebembezi b'ebigombe by'emyoga omu disitulikiti ya Bunyoro kubiire hariho Hoima Resort Hotel kandi ab'ekigombe kya Uganda Microfinance Regulatory Authority bagamba ngu emyaka ebiri babaire babahiire hwireyo kandi nga bakozire gye nibaza kutunga layisinsi z'obutuura.
Twabawa certificate ono probation eteekawo eritugamba tulina okubagezesa for 2 years. So now we want to prepare you so that you apply for permanent registration.
Ekitongole kya Uganda Microfinance Regulatory Authority kikateebwaho gavumenti kuheereza layisinsi okushoronzya hamwe n'okureebuuza abarikuguza sente aha rurengo rwa Tier 4 nomwe orukutwara ebigombe byabikoguze hamwe n'abantu buntu abarikuheereza sente za kafuna.
1. You must be such a good corporate which provides accountability to your members. How do we give accountability in cooperatives? We do call out an audit. Are you getting me? After carrying out that audit, the auditor will give us an opinion.
Badru Mugabi or RDC w'orurembo rwa Hoima yagamba ngu ebicweka 30 by'ebigombe by'emyoga abatwire sente mu kicweka ky'okubanza bakarema kuzigarura.
The mistake we made is we have not incubated, we have not helped these saccos to grow, to prepare them to be regulated.
Currently, as I speak, we have 404 million, which is the share capital mobilized by members. And our savings, we are now 958 million. We had reached 1 billion, but people have started now getting back to business and withdrawing their money.
Also to note is that most of the certificates expire for the myoga. And some of us have been trying to support them and submit to the ministry.
Section ya 36 eya Tier 4 hamwe na Money Lenders Act 2016 negamba ngu tiine sacco yoni ikurikizibwa kuguza abantu sente ninga okubika sente etahirwe layisinsi. Gashakanwa gaba Ambrose Katoto.